Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another character from the Super Smash Bros. And this time it's gonna be the very cool looking Dark Samus. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin with, let's draw in his really cool looking mask first, his face mask. So we're gonna start out with his visor area, and it's just gonna be one curve, side to side. You just draw that first. And then from the corner, we're gonna come down toward the middle, but leave yourself a little bit of a space. Okay, so it's almost like a moon shape, like a crescent. And then with the little space that you left open, we're just gonna come down and just close it off with like a really long V. Okay, so that part, the glowing area is gonna be blue. And then for the face itself, we're gonna slant down from the corners. And then right around here, I'm just gonna close everything off, go back to the middle. Okay, and then for the head itself, it's really simple. We're just gonna go up. It's just gonna be a little dome shape. Just gonna close everything off. And then some detail here on the top, we can just draw in two little lines coming down. And then for the ears, got a little bit of detail here. We're just gonna come out from the corner here, and then just kind of round it off straight back into, I guess that would be the jaw area. Alright, so that's pretty much the head, and let's move on to his body. So let's see, his shoulder right here, just gonna come out slightly. And then we're gonna come down, okay, pinch it down, and then we're gonna go back out. Okay, and then from here, go back to the middle. You come down here, you can make a little mark. And then from here, we're just gonna connect those. So this is gonna be the chest area, the chest plate. And to add some detail to this, come back to the middle and add in two lines like this. And then from the corner here, we're just gonna connect to right behind the ear area. Okay, so start here and just one big curve, just connect that. Okay, and let's see, before I draw in the arms, let's just finish up the body down here. So come back up here, and then we're gonna pinch it in all the way to the waist, and then curve it out. And then once we curve it out, we're gonna come back to the middle here. So we're gonna finish up the torso, close it off. And then for some detail, come down here. Let's draw two slants. This part's gonna be glowing, and then we're just gonna curve this up here. And then from those 2 points here, I'm just gonna go all the way down. Just draw two lines for some extra detail. Alright, so we got a very cool body shape. Alright, so now let's move on to arms, and right here, it's gonna be a really big shoulder pad. So we're gonna go out, just curve it quite a bit. And then whatever you have here, just close it off. Okay, so it's a little bit tricky to draw this kind of round shape. So let's draw in the other side first. Round, and then just close it off. And then after those huge shoulder pads, let's work on the arm here. So we're gonna come down. So the arm's easy. We're just gonna be, it's very straight, and then close it off. Flare out slightly, and this one's gonna turn. This one's gonna be kind of flaring out too. Okay, and then close it off. And then for a fist, it's a little hook. Back of the fist, turn it, and close it. Okay, and then on the other side, she's gonna be having a blaster, so come down, kind of same thing. And then instead of closing it straight, we're just gonna angle this first. Just draw a little angle. It's kind of an odd shape here. And then on this side, come out this way. And then on this side, we're gonna slant down. So it's a little bit tricky. Okay, and then here, we're gonna come down at a slant. Just go all the way out here. And then now we're gonna come down here. Very tricky shape. Okay, and then we're gonna go back up here. Come up slightly. We're gonna go out. And then now we're gonna draw a curve right around there. So that's the top part. And then now for the bottom part is a little bit easier because it's supposed to be, it's kind of like symmetrical. So just gonna pinch it in. And then pinch it in again to the center. And we can add a little bit of detail. This part's gonna be glowing. So it's gonna be one line in the middle and then come down and just close that off. All right, so that's the blaster, and well, the leg is really easy, so that's a good thing. Okay, so we're gonna start here. Just gonna come down and draw like a little rectangle in first. Okay, so come down, a little rectangle on each side. And then now for the armor stuff, so we're gonna extend the line. It's a little bit bigger. And then for this one, we're gonna just kind of curve all the way down here. This one is just gonna curve, just kind of pinch it in there. So it's kind of an odd looking shape. Okay, so same thing here. Let's draw on the other side. Curve. And then this one, curve. All right, and then for the lower leg, come down here. We're gonna flare out. So it's a very simple leg, but it just got some strange curves. Now I'm gonna curve, and then this one's gonna slight curve. Close it, and then the dome shape. Close that off. Okay, so same thing on the other side. Flare out. Curve. Slight curve, and then close it off, and same kind of dome shape on the other side. Close it off. And then if you want to add in the little knee pad details up here, we just kind of draw in like a angle right there. Okay, so just one more. And that is it for this Dark Samus from the Super Smash Bros. Game. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.